All right, welcome back. So we have another challenge activity of code.org. This one happens to be on velocity, and it's called changing course. So it says, study the animation to the right. Notice that the purple alien sprite changes between x and y velocities when it is near each corner of the screen. So we can see we have these alien.y when it's less than 50. So if we get up here, and let's do the x first. So if the dot x is less than 50, so if it's along this side, well, then we want it to increase the velocity of the y because we want it to go up this way. Same thing with the y. If it stays below 50, then we want to increase the velocity of the x. Okay, and then vice versa, we want to make sure that those velocities are no longer happening, zero, basically. So we got to kind of plan this out a little bit. We'll start with the dot y here. So if we need that to move this way, we need to have the x increasing, and we need to have the y velocity not doing anything. So we don't need it to be 0. So we'll make this one 0, and it's the alien. So this one we're going to do 3. Because that's what we had up here is -3, so I'm assuming that we kind of keep the 3 or -3 for these. Okay, so that's that one. And if we run this, that should allow that to move this direction. Okay, and then it kind of stops there. So now let's go ahead and do the dot x. And it's going to be the same concept, except we're going to reverse this. So basically, if you see the dot x, we want it to be 0, and then we want the y to be moving. Same thing with this, is x is 3 and this is 0 when this is a y location. So we're going to drag out that x and y again. With any of these, especially with these, really make sure you're spelling these correctly. And so we want to have the 0 location so let's take a look at that. So now this should go this direction. Now, the one thing when we get down here, though, is we actually need to have, instead of 3 for the velocity of x, we actually want it to be negative, because we're going to have our x velocity go that direction. So we're going to go ahead and drag out this x and y. And we'll make this 0. Oops, y is, actually we want this to be -3, because we want the x location to go that direction, and then we want this one to be 0. So we've got this one, goes over to here, and if we wanted to make these faster, we could. We're almost done here. This is very good. So now we'll go this direction. And now what we need to do is just make this -3 so that it goes this direction with the y. So this one will be 0. And this one will be -3. Just check to make sure those are correct. And there you go. And now that should run. There you go. Perfect. So that's how that works. All right. I think that's it. I don't think we need anything else. We don't need to affect the flags or anything like that. Everything else works great. I did notice Nope, that should be good. Okay, All right, so hopefully that works for you. Hopefully that helps. Good luck with your coding.